has recently become full of people offering close-up views of their armpits, comparing the concave pits hollowed when you raise your arm or the pits that have more puffy appearance. Dozens of content creators have warned that you should have a pit and not a puff. And it could be a sign that you need to go see a doctor right away. Not right away, I threw that in there. But now Dr. Claire Merrifield, general practitioner and medical director at Self, S-E-L-P-H, Self, has said that a majority of cases in this is simple, normal body anatomy, although there are a few telltale signs that something could be going wrong. Why are armpits so puffy? Dr. Merrifield said that for most people, a puffy armpit is just normal breast tissue or normal body fat distribution, although it could be a sign of an underlying health condition. Confused as to why breast tissue would be in your armpit, Dr. Merrifield explained that breasts are actually not perfectly rounded. What? Says the 15-year-old boy. Instead, shaped like a comma, with the tail angled toward the armpit. She continued to say the tail is called an extriale, another word for armpit, or armpit breast tissue. Some people have more of this than others, and it may appear that you have a puffy armpit. But when you raise your arm, there's still a concave hollow bordered by some of your arm muscles. This fatty tissue under your arm should be included in your regular checks for lumps in your breasts, ladies. Dr. Merrifield also says that you should ignore influences advice on lymphatic drainage technique, which helps the appearance of puffy armpits. She said it would be extremely rare for a healthy person who hasn't had a lymph node removed to experience swelling due to lymphatic fluid. It would usually indicate an underlying health concern. How can you tell if your puffy armpits are a sign of an underlying health conditions? On rare occasions, a puffy armpit should be a sign of an enlarged lymph node related to infection, inflammatory, or cancer. Oh, great. Throw that last one in there. Don't panic. Don't panic, though, as this will feel totally different to a normal puffy armpit, so you should be able to check it. Dr. Merrifield says that lymph nodes tend to be quite firm, so won't feel like fat or fluid, more like a small ball underneath the surface of the skin. In some cases, the puffy armpit could also mean a benign fatty tumor called a lymphoma